Are charged after a 4-year-old was found living in a home with no power and little running water. 29-year-old Alan Westmoreland and 27-year-old Sandra Gridley are now charged with felony child abuse and neglect. The investigation started as officers in Blount County were looking after some dogs tied up behind the home on Calderwood Highway with no food, no water or shelter. DCS took custody of that 4-year-old. The dogs are being cared for at Blount County Animal Center. Westmoreland and Gridley due in court next week.